Yo, what up, YouTube? What up, man? So, back with another video. This is going to be the part 2 of the side markers that we installed. We're just going to be wiring it up. There might be 2 different videos. I'm not sure if I want to throw everything in at once, but we did that. We're going to install that, and then we're going to do my fans. The tuck radiator dual fan setup. So we're also going to be doing that. I don't know if I'm going to throw it in a separate video or if I'm going to throw it in this one. But I guess, you know, you'll see when if it's in this video. If not, then I'll be doing another video on that thing. Because it did take us a little bit while to do that. But let me show you guys about how the JDM side markers come out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we ran, you're not going to be able to see, but we ran the wire through the fender, and then we end up tucking it here, and then we're going to we put it through the hole, and then now what we're going to try to do is run a connector, that way so whenever I do take off the fender, I can just take it off from the connector. That way I don't have to take off the light by itself. That way I can just unplug the connector, and then this whole thing will come off. So we're gonna give you a little time lapse, so let's do it. Alright, so we got the connectors on, and now it's time to see.